Hey, Chung Dha here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to open the battery door of the Zhiyun Weebill. There are people struggling with opening it because when you first look at it, you will see these grooves over here, and you might think that you need to push on these grooves. So when you push on it and really push hard, it just doesn't budge. So the method of actually opening it is using the inside of your palm here. Put it here, use your finger here on top and just push it up. So that is basically the method of opening the door, and removing the batteries. You push it down and then towards yourself, and then you can remove it. So push it down and then move to yourself. So that is it. And putting the door back on it. So here again, so this against here. So quick and easy. So that is basically the method of opening the battery door. So if you were struggling with it, now you know how to open it. So like this and that. So that was mainly it. Hopefully you guys found this video quite helpful if you were struggling with the battery door. And if you want to see more upcoming videos, please hit that subscribe button here below, and also make sure to hit that bell icon so you're always updated when I post a new video. See you guys the next time. Bye bye.